Right, today we're cleaning the interior. Can't take the carpet out because of the gas tank, so spraying some of this on it, and then I'll give it a brush and then hoover. We're also cleaning some of the interior fittings. Just got ourselves some good old wipes, and it's not actually Dettol, it's just hot soapy water and a spray, and a bunch of microfiber towels. There we go. So I'm finally addressing the passenger rear door. Now the problem with this is it's missing a bit for the window regulator, for the window to go up and down. Can't find any parts for it. I don't really care. I can just keep the window up, or a little bit of jar like this with some tape. That's fine with me. Or I could permanently jam it with a bit of wood. That means I can actually give it a bit of a clean, so I might do that. Next problem is locking it. And now it doesn't have the mechanical it's not a mechanical piece, but it's a bit of metal that basically goes from here upwards, which almost points out like this, that indicates if it's open or shut. So my ingenious plan is to try and put a bit of string around it, poke it up and then out through the panel, and also have one that comes out a little hole somewhere else in the panel that at least allows me to open and lock the door so it's still in use. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is the kind of temporary solution to the door lock, just so I can actually use this door. So it's literally just a bit of ribbon wrapped around securely. At the end I've just put a bit of tape in just to kind of indicate where I need to cut a hole in as such, but that's it up, that's it down. Again, it's a temporary solution, so it'll probably end up breaking at some point, but at least I can now use the door. Now, what I've done to fix it is simply just a bit of metal that hooks in there, flip it back here, and comes up. And I mean, that's all it is, and then it normally has something pretty on there, but I'll maybe find a handle that I can put on, but in the meantime, this will do. Now, fitting the door on's a bit of a problem, especially making it secure, because essentially, all of these blue latches that are meant to be on all of these little black support things are stuck in the door. So I've basically just got to take all these out, put them back on the door itself, and then it should attach.
now it's all clean. Next job is to fix the headliner and then put everything back in the car.